Frustrated with your kid's handwriting? How about your own? Would you like to see a way to fix sloppy handwriting that really works? The teacher's alphabet is pretty amazing, because it teaches beginning printers, like me, really good printing habits from the first letters they draw. It doesn't start with making the letters in the usual ABC order. It starts with the easiest to make line. Then, we made a bunch of letters that line can make. Each bunch was called a letters group. We worked up to the harder lines in their groups as we worked through the workbooks. Turns out, there are only 10 kinds of lines that make up all the upper and lowercase letters and numbers. And there are only 11 letters groups. Once I could do the 10 basic lines, I could do each of the 11 letters groups, and I finished the 7 workbooks pretty quick. My teacher said the teacher's manual was simple to follow. It told her exactly what to do, and what to say. She said she had a teacher's script. So every session, we had a nice little routine. And being a kid, I really like routines. First, my teacher described drawing the letters as she made them to look like their diagrams. She called these descriptions, letter recipes. She had letter recipes for every shape we drew. We'd start by reciting the letter recipes as we finger traced their diagrams. Then, we made a few on the board and talked about the best ones. Then I would pencil trace a few of the examples on my practice paper, make a few on my own, and show my teacher. She'd circle and star my best ones, and I would keep practicing till I got a bunch of good ones. It was actually pretty simple, and kind of fun. Oh yeah, the teacher's alphabet has, kind of a secret weapon. Their worksheets have 5 lines, instead of 3. They call it special spot paper. There really is a special spot place to start the uppercase curved letters. And there really is a special spot to start the curved lowercase letters too. Special spot paper is kinda magical. No one has to guess where the curved letters start or end, anymore. And my teacher doesn't have to keep repeating herself or running around the class reteaching, like those teachers have to do, who still use 3-line paper. In fact, I was printing better than my mom in just a few weeks. She was really surprised, so she asked my teacher how she did it. The teacher's alphabet is the best and easiest way to teach kids how to print like adults, and it is also the best way to teach adults how to finally fix their childlike handwriting. That's funny and kinda cool at the same time. Anyway, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So try them out, you'll see. You have nothing to lose, but sloppy handwriting. If you would like to see more, go to theteachersalphabet.com. Thanks for listening.